Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best bedside table lamps available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have aooshine Bedside Table Lamp. The elegant sleek look of this table lamp elevates the aesthetic of your home. Also, an open-top cloth shade of beige linen hovers over a petite black base of solid wood. The size and the design make this accent lamp a splendid accoutrement for guest cottages and professional offices alike. This small desk lamp creates a nice and comforting feeling in the house. When spending time with your family as the linen fabric shade softens the light. This minimalist rectangle table lamp is best for bedroom, living room, baby room, coffee table, bookcase in your library or den. This nightstand lights is also a great gift for your family and friend. At number 5 we have COTULIN Bedside Table Lamp. The modern table lamp with unique design is the perfect choice for local lighting and decoration of living room. That creating a sense of spatial level for a small apartment. The small bedside table lamp creates an even and soft diffused light effect, which makes your bedroom more warm and comfortable. The metal cage table lamp takes up very little space but puts out a lot of light. It's suitable for bedroom, living room, office, kids room, study, desk, etc. The hollowed-out diamond-shaped base and gold surface treatment not only make your lamp full of art but also more stable. The geometric sense of the base lines build a minimalist atmosphere. At number 4 we have HAITRAL Bedside Table Lamp. The black lamp looks modern but also retro with black chrome metal basket cage style base and fabric lampshade, never out of fashion. Its modern black chrome metal basket cage style and warm comfortable light creates the romantic and elegant atmosphere, which is unique lamp wherever you put it in. Its frame-based design was combined with spray paint and high-temperature furnace fixation technology, which is enduring, durable and aesthetic. The quality of the black desk lamp allows it to be long-lasting and stylish, beautiful accessory for one's room. It is perfect light for a beautiful modern house that adds a touch of beauty to any room. At number 3 we have Bastos Bedside Table Lamp. The table lamp set of 2 included 2 dimmable LED bulbs. The high-quality Edison bulbs can provide a glare-free, non-flickering and natural light. It combined with the cream fabric shade, these nightstand table lamps will emit gentle warm white light, makes it easy to create a comfortable and cozy atmosphere for your home. And it also safe for your family's eyesight. You can charge 2 different electronic devices at the same time and within arm reach, which not only largely saving your time but also saving you from wall plug cord messes. At number 2 we have YAINS Bedside Table Lamp. The wooden tripod lampstand is unique and elegant. It comes with fabric linen lampshade softening the beams. The boho table lamp light appears soft and bright, free from glare. It is suitable for reading and study, also serves as a night light or nursery lamp at night. It comes with the tripod wood base. The side table lamp is sturdy on its feet. At number 1 we have YAINS Bedside Table Lamp. YXTH bedroom lamps made of high-quality metal shade and base. It comes with a matte plastic layer inside the lampshade, makes the emitted light more softer and evenly for eyes protection. This forest-style lampshade is modern retro combination. This bedside nightstand lamp is all about atmosphere. When you leave it on at night it lights up like a forest. The bulb has 3 different light colors of white light, warm white light and warm light. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best bedside table lamps for your need.